Vacuum flask. This is very important topic in your syllabus. Vacuum flask normally comes the full topic in the paper, or MCQs also comes in the paper as well. Short questions are very important of this topic as well. So concentrate yourself. The vacuum flask or thermos flask is designed to keep liquids hot by minimizing heat losses in 4 possible ways. That is conduction, convection, radiation, and evaporation. And now we will read how conduction and convection through the sides of the flask are prevented by vacuum between the double glass walls of the flask. Conduction through the trapped air above the liquid is minimal, since air is a very poor conductor of the heat. The stopper is usually made of the plastic, which is also a poor conductor of the heat. And here is a figure that shows there is double wall of the glass with silver surfaces. Here is vacuum, plastic cap. Here is vacuum, no conduction or convection will take place because of the vacuum. Hot liquid is here. Silver surfaces, little radiation because of the silvery surfaces. Evaporation from the top of the liquid, but air is trapped above the liquid, that's why evaporation will be slow. Plastic cap is also put on the top, which also reduces the loss of the heat through convection and conduction. Convection and evaporation can only occur when the plastic stopper is removed. During the use, heat loss by radiation is harder to stop, as radiant heat can pass through the vacuum. To minimize heat loss through radiation, the walls of the glass are silvered so as to reflect the radiant heat back into the hot liquid. And now we are going to read it and now we are going to watch a video that will explain our concepts more. So here is the video. So this video explains how heat transfer is difficult in vacuum flask through 4 processes. Here is a plastic stopper, double-walled glass or plastic container, silver surface, so look now. First, at the top of the vacuum flask is plastic stopper. Plastic stopper is a poor conductor. That reduce the heat transfer through conduction because it is a poor conductor. So heat is difficult to transfer through conduction process because of the plastic stopper. Also reduce convection because here is gap above the surface of the liquid. Then there is double-walled glass or plastic container. Glass and plastic are poor conductors. that reduce the transfer of the heat through conduction process. And then there is double walled glass. Between them is vacuum gap, and conduction and convection is not possible through vacuum, because conduction and convection requires a medium. So heat transfer is difficult through conduction and convection process because of the vacuum gap between the double walled glass. Then these walled are silvered surfaces which reduce the radiation process. Because silvered surfaces are poor emitters and good reflectors. So this is how heat transfer is difficult in vacuum flask because of these four processes. So read the lecture again, make your notes. Thank you so much.